In the vast expanse of our world, there exists a breathtaking dance between two eternal forces, the ocean and the shoreline. It is a mesmerizing spectacle, a symphony of resilience and unwavering love. For there is nothing more beautiful than witnessing the ocean's refusal to cease its tender kisses upon the shore, no matter how many times it is sent away. In the face of adversity, the ocean remains steadfast, undeterred by the forces that attempt to separate it from its beloved shoreline. With each crashing wave, it embraces the land with a fervent passion, as if declaring to the world that its love knows no bounds. It is a reminder, a testament to the power of persistence and the unyielding strength of the human spirit. Just like the ocean, we too encounter countless setbacks and rejections in our journey through life. We face moments when the world seems to push us away, when our dreams appear distant and unattainable. But it is during these very moments that we must draw inspiration from the ocean's unwavering determination. The ocean's refusal to stop kissing the shoreline teaches us a profound lesson that true beauty lies in resilience. It reminds us that no matter how many times we are pushed back, we must rise again, with an unwavering spirit and an unyielding resolve. It is in these moments of adversity that our true strength is revealed, and our character is shaped. Let the ocean's relentless pursuit of the shoreline be a beacon of hope in your own life. Embrace the challenges that come your way, for they are the stepping stones that lead to growth and self-discovery. Just as the ocean's waves shape the shoreline, each setback molds us into stronger, more resilient individuals. So, my dear friend, remember this: no matter how many times life sends you away, refuse to give up. Embrace the setbacks as opportunities for growth, and let your spirit soar like the ocean's waves.